what's up, guys? So today, I'm going to be reviewing my fidget cube and my fidget spinner. So this is one of my new fidget spinners. Stop! This is one of my new fidget spinners. Stop, AJ! So I got one of my... I was drinking soda right now. That's why I made that noise. So I got this new fidget spinner, and it's gold. And then you can take off. That's my baby brother with his popcorn. And then you can take this off and have two sides. Double-sided. Then you could take off another one. And then another one. And then you go like this.
Yeah, you do that, Sputnik.
Oh, what? My hair looks weird. I don't know why I'm fixing it right now, but so then you go like this with it. Cool. Hanukkah. This kid wants to celebrate Hanukkah because he wants more gifts. Look at. So this is the fidget cube. You don't really get bored using it. It's kind of just like an interesting thing. So it has this side, this side, this side, this side, this side. And I don't know how. This side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, and this side. So this one you could press it. This one is a joystick. This one it's like a light switch. And this one you just go like that with it. So you move these, and then they move like that, and then this one just moves around. This one's like a light switch. I showed this already. And this one's like a thing to move around. And then you press this and this. Oh, I showed this already, but I didn't show what this is for. You could rub it. You could rub it.
The camera's waiting for you.
We're watching Phineas and Ferb. Why does my hair look so weird right now? The heck?
Maybe because we woke up.
No, my mom fixed my hair. When did we wake up? Like 5 hours ago, probably. It's like 11 right now. Oh, it's 12 right now. What are they saying? No, it's nothing. It's just Roblox thing. So yeah, you just rub this part. And yeah, you guys should get a fidget cube. And you should get one of these fidget spinners. They both are cool. So yeah, get a fidget spinner. Peace. Guys, remember to like, subscribe, and comment